Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah. You're taking the lead.
In the 4th anniversary of Tangents Go, you get gift stars in the card collecting game to successfully exchange to loads and meet many game friends. Let's play the second phase of card collecting game together to get the rewards you want. Click Grid to enter the card game page. There are 4 types of cards. Collect all the cards to get gift star rewards. The star can be exchanged for load, Sodexo Pass, or real gift. If you collect 3 sets of cards, you can get 5 gift stars. If you collect 12 sets of cards, you can get 20 gift stars. That if they get a new gold card during the game. They can also open a lucky gift star spin and get up to 100 gift stars. This is really fun. 100 gift stars can be exchanged for 100 loads. To buy the gifts you want, such as ML Diamonds. This is really fun. 100 gift stars can be exchanged for 100 loads. To buy the gifts they want, like ML Diamonds. How to collect the cards quickly. First, play the game to get the cards. Second, during the period of 4/28 to 5/17, players can get free cards from the mail by logging in. Every day, then, if you have ordinary wild cards, you can contact customer service to enter the official Go-Card. Exchange group. Exchange the cards you want. This card collecting game is so fun and easy to collect the cards. I expect my fans to exchange these cards for more phones and gifts too. If you want to collect cards to win, please click on my description or the link in the top comment and let's download Tangents together to go.